These barns have stood for generations, but their story isn't over. Every plank carries decades of history. Rescued, inspected, and prepared with precision.
Modern technology, respecting old craftsmanship.
Built slowly, built to last.
From forgotten barns to timeless luxury. This is how old barns become luxury furniture. These forgotten barns are the starting point of luxury furniture.
We are not here to destroy this historic structure, but to save it. Every plank, every beam is careful.
Age adds character that is simply impossible to recreate.
The controlled descent of these historic beams requires absolute precision.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Hold it there.
Traceability is crucial for reclaimed materials. Every beam we recover is tagged and tracked from the moment it arrives. Every beam tells a story, and as you can see, we recover a tremendous volume of this irreplaceable resource.
We maintain the strictest grading standards in the industry. As you can see, this beam is immediately rejected due to the size and location of this knot.
Controlled drying is essential before processing.
The reading stabilized at 12.1%.
Excellent. We can move forward, maintaining a constant temperature.
Proper disposal of foreign objects like this rusted nail is crucial to prevent damage to the downstream machinery.
Detection confirmed. Always prioritize safety by following the correct shutdown procedures when an anomaly is found.
With the nails removed, the timber is now ready for the next critical step: surface preparation and cleaning before it can be repurposed.
Preservation is key. We check every surface, ensuring no damage or insects threaten the usable grain.
The results are stable. Are you satisfied with the batch?
Yes, I am. We can move forward with the cutting.
Beams advance towards the high-speed blade, where the real work begins. Here we transition from rough lumber to precision shaping. To achieve that perfect furniture-grade finish, the rough lumber is fed through the planer, resulting in a smooth, flat surface.
Look at how the light catches the figuring. This swirling grain is completely unique to this board, a testament to its quality.
This section is marked for the tabletop.
Yes, and we need the cabinet cuts right here.
Ensure the margin is correct.
By optimizing the calibration of each beam, we've successfully reduced material waste by 15% this quarter.
The humidity spiked briefly right here, but the temperature remains steady.
I see it. The system compensated quickly. Make sure the line is clear.
Moving to Station 4 now.
The Z-axis calibration is off by 2 millimeters.
I adjusted the offset in the G-code. Try running the test pattern now.
Okay, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment on your side. Looks good, set it down.
Precision cutting ensures that the unique character of the wood is preserved, while guaranteeing absolute accuracy in the final product. The precision of modern machinery allows us to honor the rich history of materials like this mahogany, crafting intricate designs with ease.
Still holding the 5 thousandths tolerance here at the edge.
Excellent. That matches the schematic.
By comparing the planned versus actual output, we've achieved near perfect yield from every slab. This highlights the
From the selection of materials to the final inspection, we prioritize both comfort and safety, crafting luxury furniture built to last. We utilize integrated dust extraction systems to capture fine particulates, ensuring a clean and safe processing environment.
The angled light reveals how these subtle imperfections are, in fact, integral design features of the grain.
The precision of the mortise and tenon joint is critical as we transition from preparation to structural assembly. The machine is now engaged. The meticulous precision of these matching tenons creates a bond of superior strength, entirely eliminating the need for visible hardware.
Meticulous planning is essential for the assembly phase.
We need to adjust the tolerances right here.
Agreed. This ensures structural integrity. Dimensional stability is crucial. Looks good, 6.2%. Noted. We can proceed with assembly here.
The viscosity looks correct on this batch.
Good. Let's run the calibration sequence.
The secret to a lasting bond is patience. We let the glue cure slowly, carefully managing the space between each assembly.
The user wants me to transcribe.
Airflow readings are optimal. The HEPA filters are performing as expected. Good. Let's move to the next booth.
Meticulous cleaning with high-pressure air ensures that every component meets our rigorous standards for purity and performance.
According to the finishing schedule, we need the semi-gloss.
Yes, this mahogany sample matches the specifications exactly.
There it is, 4C Delta 9.
Matches the sheet. Good to go.
Phase 3 gives aged wood its final luxury identity. Careful mixing is only the first step. Our technicians rely on precise measurements and expert inspection to
Make sure you work that into the grain right there.
All right, I got it.
The key here is the consistency. The absorption is perfectly uniform across the entire substrate, exactly as required.
I'm seeing a slight drop near the center vent.
Adjusting the flow rate now. That should stabilize it.
Controlled drying is essential, as it preserves the integrity of the aged wood.
That feels good. Nice work, keep it up.
The second coat is crucial. Applied with precision, it locks in that mirror-like depth, ensuring years of uncompromising protection.
Sheen consistency is holding up well under the brights.
Agreed. Record this panel as approved.
The lateral stability is excellent.
Agreed. Axial stress is fine. We can approve this one.
How does this layering look, Inspector?
It's perfect. The corners are well protected. Good job.
The integrity held on the corner joint.
Minimal deformation detected. Logging the results now.
Scan confirmed. It's ready to go. Looks good. Another one approved.
Another high-priority order just came in for the Southeast region.
I see it. Adjusting the truck assignments immediately.
Efficiency metrics are up 20% this quarter.
Yes, the new robotics line is paying off. We should monitor the spray cycle on the next batch.
A 95% completion rate is excellent. Let's maintain this momentum through the next shift.
Quality and origin confirmed on this batch.
Initiating high-speed scan for digital logging. All files clear.
This is how old barns are transformed into luxury furniture through craftsmanship, precision, and respect for aged wood from start to finish.
This is how old barns are transformed into luxury furniture through craftsmanship, precision, and respect for